Excuse me. Ano ba naman yan? Ba't standard yung kinukuha ko? Eh, luxury yung pina-reserve ko, di ba? Ang klaseng trabaho yan, ayusin nyo nga.
So sorry sir, I'm just studying for let me check the reservation first.
Di ba kayo minsan? Anniversary pa naman ng asawa ko ngayon.
Sir, it's the issue sa ano po kasi sa reservation is nag-double booking po yung binooking mo. Let me see kung magagawa ko.
Sige, patawag ko ng manager niya.
Naintindihan ko po sir. Reserve nyo ng 40 stay. Let me call the manager first.
Okay, pag sir. Okay, ikaw may manager nila?
Yes, po. Represent your patients, sir. As a solution, I'd like to offer a complementary upgrade to your executive suite. And we have a better view and more amenities. And I would like to offer and to you and your partner to the dinner in a 5-star restaurant. Okay, thank you.
Nakaready naman yung seat nyo?
Yes po sa pinaprepare ko na po sa housekeeping namin yung room nyo and ito po yung bed boy para sa sponsor nyo.
Sir, ako po si Kevin. Ako po yung bedway na mag-asa sa'yo. Sir, ano po yung luggage niya?
Thank you.
Sir, this way please. Sir, please. Sir, kung may kailangan problema po kayo, just call front desk office. Stay safe, sir, and happy anniversary.